Hello, welcome to the next part. So in this video, we are going to learn about the EBS. EBS stands for the Elastic Block Storage. So I hope you already covered the theory part. So now we are going to explore the practical, like how to work on the EBS. So as you can see, I already launched a server. It is a RHEL server, okay, Red Hat Enterprise Linux one. You can check. I already connected with this server by using the mobile stream, okay. And so first of all, you need to change the permission by using the command sudo space su space hyphen to change the privileges from normal user to super user, okay. And after that, go on this window and here just scroll down, and in this one you will get this option, Elastic Block Storage. So by default you are able to use only 30 GB space in your free tier account, but if you want to add more than 30 GB, then you can use this option, okay. So now I'm going to show you. First of all, the first option is volume. So just click on this one, and here you can see I have one GP2. This is a volume ID number and the size is 10 GB, okay. So I'm going to give a name like old HDD. So with the help of this one, easily you can identify which one is the old one and which one is the new one, okay. So give the any name, and now here I'm going to add one more volume. So just click on the create volume, okay, if you want to add this one. Otherwise, before adding this one, you can check on the terminal with the help of command like how many hard disks you have and what are the size. So you can run the command fdisk space -l, enter. Now you can see right now I have one hard disk /dev xpda1 2 3 and 4, okay. And what is the actual size? This is 10 GB, and this is my hard disk name /dev/xvda, and these are the partitions. So in this one I have 1 2 3 4 partitions, right? So that's why I'm able to store the data, and that's why I'm able to create a files. I'm able to install the operating system, right? So now I'm going to add one more hard disk, and then after I will show you, I will again run the same command and then show you what is the difference, okay. So click on the create volume, and here you need to define the size. So what is the size you want to add? So I go with the 10 GB only, okay. Otherwise you can go with the minimum is 1 GB and the maximum is 16384 GB. You can add this one, okay. So as per your requirement, you can select the any size, then scroll down. And here you need to check your availability zone, okay. So your server or your hard disk availability zone must be same, okay. So for this, just open this one, go to the EC2 dashboard and check what is your availability zone. It is US East 1C, okay. So in the same availability zone you need to deploy this one. So select here US East 1C, right, and then scroll down. If you want to create a snapshot, so you can go with this one. So later on we will discuss about the snapshot, but right now I'm going to just add a simple volume. Click the create volume, and now you can see it is successfully showing this one. So give a name like the new HDD, okay, and save it. So both are having the same size, 10 GB, 10 GB, and this is the ID, volume ID. This is another volume ID, okay. And here you can see the snapshot ID number, this one, it's a by default one, and here you can see it's a hyphen, okay. One more thing, in this one you can check it is showing in use, and this one is showing creating, okay. So just refresh this page and check the status is changed or not. Now you can see it is showing in use, and the second one is showing available. It is only available, it is not in use, okay. So what you need to do, you need to attach this volume to your server, otherwise you are not able to access this new HDD. So we need to connect, or we need to attach this volume with our server, and after that we are okay. So now you can see it is showing the in use and the available. Now I'm going to attach this volume with my server. So select this one and then go to the action button, and here you will get the option attach volume. Okay, so click on this one, attach volume, and in this one you need to select your server. So just click on this one. So right now I have only one server, so that's why it's showing the server name, and this is my virtual ID number. Okay, virtual server ID number. Select this one and then click on the attach volume. After this one you can check the status is changed from available to in use. Okay, it means it is active. And now on the terminal again just run the same command and check the particular hard disk is successfully attached or not. Type here fdisk space -L. Now you can see I have one more hard disk. This is XVDF with the size of 10 GB. But the problem is what? I'm not able to use this one because I'm not creating any kind of the partition. So without creating the partition, you are not able to access this hard disk. So what you need to do, just by using some commands, you need to create a partition. Then you need to format the partition, assign the file system, and after that you need to mount this partition in any directory, and then you are able to upload the data or you are able to use this hard disk. Okay, so now just write down the commands. What are the commands we need to use in this one? So the first command is you need to run fdisk space, type your hard disk name, which is /dev/xvdf, got it, and then enter. There's a /dev/xvdf xv. Oh, sorry, it's x, not a s. Okay, so remove this one and type here xvdf, enter. Now you can see this is a tool. So with the help of this one, you are able to create the partition or you are able to format that one. So if you don't know how to create, so it will suggest to you use M for the help. So type M and press enter. And now you can see these are the different kind of the keywords, and the users is also mentioned. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to create a new partition. So press N. N is for what? Create a new partition, right? So I'm going to press N and enter. Now it will ask you or what kind of the partition you want to create, primary or extended. So I go with the primary. For the primary you need to press P. Okay, type P and enter. Then it will ask you the partition number. So by default you are able to create only four primary partition. Okay, so give any number in between 1 to 4. So I go with the 1 and then press enter. After that it will ask you the sector. So we don't know what is a sector, what is a track. Okay, we are going to create a partition according to the site. So no need to type anything, just press simply press enter. And now here you need to define the site. So I want to create plus 5G. 5G is for what? I want to create a 5 GB partition. So that's why I'm typing plus 5G. You can see what is the method, plus minus site and then KB, MB, GB, TB or petabyte. Okay, so I want to create a 5 GB partition. Press enter. Now it's showing create a new partition 1 of type Linux is successfully. Okay, and the size is 5 GB. If you want to check the particular partition is created or not, then press P for print the table, partition table. Okay, so now you can see my partition name is what? /dev/xvdf1. The start from 2048. This is a track set number, and this is the AND number. This is sector 1, and this is a total size. It is 5G, and the ID is 83, and the type is what? Linux. So my partition is successfully created, and now I want to exit from this tool. So just press W. W is for what? To write. You want to save all the changes which you perform. So press W and enter. Now your partition table is updated. Your partition is successfully created. Now you can see this is showing the partition is table is successfully updated. So if you want to check the particular partition is created or not, then type fdisk space -l and enter. Now see, I have two partition or two hard disks. One is XVDA and the another is XVDF. It is 10 GB. It is 10 GB. In this one, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 partitions. But in this one, I have only one partition, XVDF 1. Okay. So still you have 5 GB space. So you can create one more partition if you want. Okay. So it's up to you. Now I'm going to format this one, because without formatting you are not able to use, or you are not able to create any kind of the file in this partition. Okay, so just type mkfs. Mkfs stands for the make file system. Make file system mkfs. Then give the what kind of the for mkfs dot ext, and then you can see there's a different kind of the option, and 2, 3, and 4. So 4 one is the latest one, so I'll go with the 4 ext4. This is a file system which is provided by the Linux operating system. And then define the partition name. So what is the partition name? /dev /xvdf1, right? You can check xvdf1 is there, xvdf1 is there, and press enter. Now your partition is successfully formatted. Okay, and then now the last step, you need to mount this partition with any directory, otherwise you are not able to use this one. Okay, so what you need to do, see, type mnt use mount, type mount. Okay, and what partition you want to mount? So type your partition name /dev /xvdf1 space where you want to mount. I want to mount in /mnt. Okay, this is a pre configured directory or the pre-created directory. Press enter. Now it's successfully mount. Okay, so and you want to check, then again type df -h and press enter. Now you can say df stands for the disk free. If you want to check the free spaces in your server, so use df -h. So this is xvda. Now in this is your partition xvdf, and the size is 4.9. Its total size, the use 24K, available is 4.6. Okay, and mounted on /mnt. So if you use this command cd /mnt, and now here if you are going to create any kind of the file or any kind of the directory, so it will automatically transfer on this directory, right? So suppose I'm going to create a multiple file, touch space 1 space 2 space 3 space 4. I'm going to create a multiple directories, mkdir space 1 space 2, mkdir space a b c. Okay, so all the files and the directories is contained by this partition or this hard disk. Okay, so this is a method to create, to attach, to format the partition, right? Suppose your task is over, okay, your work is over, you want to remove this one. So what you need to do, if you want to remove this one, so again you need to, first of all you need to exit from the particular directory. Okay, and then after you need to go on your console side and deattach this partition, right? In case if you want to change, or suppose you want to create one more partition, or suppose you want to increase the size of the particular hard disk, so first of all you need to remove and then add some more size, and after that again attach the same hard disk and create a different kind of the partition, right? And one more thing, you can check with the help of this command also, fdisk L. Now see, it is showing this one. Okay, 83. This is the ID number 83, and the type is Linux. Okay, so this is. I hope this one is clear. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to remove this new hard disk from your server. So if your task is over, okay, and you want to change this hard disk, or you want to increase the size or any other thing, so first of all you need to remove this one. So select this one, okay, and then go to the action button, and here you can get see, it is showing the force detach only. Okay, this one is not highlighted. Why? Because your partition is already mounted. So what you need to do, if you want to unmount the particular partition, then type uh, umount /mnt. Okay, now you can check df-h. See, there's no any partition. Okay, before this we will get the /mnt, but now the mnt is blank. Okay, and if you check ls/mnt, so now you can see there is no any data. But before this we created some files and the directory. All the files and all the directories are available, but you need to mount. Once you mount, then you will get the data. Okay, so again I will show you how. If I type mount /dev/xvdf1 in /mnt. Okay, now check ls/mnt, all the data is present, right? So if you want to remove this hard disk from your server, so first of all you need to umount. You need to type umount/mnt, where you mount. Okay, this is your directory name. Enter. Okay, and then you can check there is no any data in the mnt. It is blank, right? And now go to on your console and then refresh the page one more time, and then I want to remove this one. Okay, so select the new HDD, go to the action button, and now see, detach volume is highlighted. Okay, before this it is unhighlighted. So I'm going to click on this one, detach. You can go with the force detach also. Okay, now you can see the status successfully detach. Okay, very good. Yes, refresh one more time and check. See, the state is changed from in use to available. And now I want to delete this one. Select and then go to the delete volume. I want to delete. Yes, I want to delete. And now successfully deleted volume. Okay, so your volume is successfully deleted. One more thing is there, the snapshot. If you want to create a backup of your data, then use a snapshot. Okay, click on this one. So you can see it is blank. So what you need to do, click the create a snapshot. So you want to create a snapshot for a volume one or the instance one. So I want to create this one, and then select the volume. If you have a two hard disks, so it will show you the both name. So right now I have only one, so select this one. Okay, and give the any kind of the description. With the help of this one, easily you can identify what is what kind of the data contained by this one. Okay, so I'm going to create like the operating system. Okay, and click on the create a snapshot. So with the help of this method, easily you can create the snapshot. In future, if your hard disk is corrupted or any kind of the power failure is there, so easily you can retrieve your data with the help of a snapshot, right? So a snapshot is a best feature which is provided by the EBS. So you easily you can create your data backups, or easily you can store the multiple copies of your data. Okay, and when you need, so easily you can retrieve your data, you can transfer your data with the help of snapshot. Okay, one more thing, a snapshot is not a free service. Okay, it is a paid one. So before using this one, just check what is the different kind of the prices. I already explained the prices part in the PPT, so you can go through that one and then after use the this one. Okay, once your task is over, then select the server, go to the action button, and then terminate this one. Go to the instance state and terminate. So now, right now, there is no any active HDD. Okay, so